Yesterday, I fumigated the whole house, so everywhere is messy. I need to clean. The following day, I swept and I'm mopping the house now. Yeah, this is me. Even when tired, I just have to do it because no one to help me. Just me, my baby, my family, and customers to attend to. So the black bucket is the soapy water and the green bucket is the clean water that I will use for the second mopping. This is how I clean my house. I need to do this because my family need to eat. I've already done the kitchen during the live stream. I've packed everything outside. So I'm going to be mopping this. Once I'm done, take our breakfast, then I'll attend to baby, and of course wash the things outside and attend to customers as well. So, oh, this is my life today. Today is going to be a really busy day for me. Very busy. As a mother, you don't raise, you just switch tasks. But sometimes I just have to create time to rest. Yes, because you cannot cheat on nature. Yeah, so sometimes when I'm attending to baby, I'm breastfeeding baby, I sleep off. Yeah, everywhere needs to be clean after fumigation. This is not small work. So I'm done mopping. You can see how nice the floor is and everywhere in the house. So now, let's go. The food is ready. Let's dish out. Let me dish out food for my family. We need to take our breakfast in. I prepared jollof rice. If you watch me during my live stream today, being Thursday, you saw me when I was doing it. Thursday, April 16, 2026. You saw me when I was cooking the food while cleaning our kitchen. Be careful. Do you love cooking? Let me know from the comment section. And what kind of food do you like cooking most? Do you love? Have you ever tasted Nigerian jollof rice before? Especially party jollof rice. My family love my jollof rice. So you can see, made with organic ingredients, spices. So here we are eating our food. That is my daughter over there. She's always very shy. And my son, which is plate eating with his dad. Sorry, there's no dining table. So this is how we used to manage. Today I'm not eating with my husband, I'm eating alone. Yeah. So he's carrying baby. He's carrying his daughter. So I'm alone. When he eats, I enjoy myself. So after eating, I have to bathe baby. She needs to feel fresh. My baby needs me. She needs to shower, freshen up. So this is teeth soap, native soap. I got it for her. It also comes with cream. So I'm going to be showing you the cream that I use because she has started teething. So I use this. No need to buy baby rest or whatever. So I'm here bathing baby. So this is me. No one to assist me right now to bathe baby. Yeah, I did this even when I returned from the hospital because my sister-in-law that came to help me, they called her for work, so she left even before I deliver. And 2 weeks after my delivery, my elder sister came to help me, and she was not feeling too strong that time, so she has to go back early. So I'm done. This is the cream, and we are diapers. Going to be wearing her only singlet because the weather is too hot, like extremely hot these days. And even at the end, self, I may end up putting the singlet so she can stay only with diapers with her pampers because the weather is too hot. Sometimes you could hear her cry because of heat. So this is my real life. No help, just me. Village mom hustle. So this is our palm kernel oil. Just little that remain. I need to make more for her. Let me apply it on her hair. Just a little. No need much. Organic oil. So I need to repackage her hair. Her hair have scattered. So let's repackage it. The ones that are losing up. This is one of the protective style that I make for her. At least it lasts for 2 days. So you can see how beautiful she's looking. Yeah, she's looking at the camera. So I need to wear her socks. No matter how hot the weather is, I always like to wear children's socks. At least it protects their feet. So she'll wear these socks from morning till night. When it's night, I'll bathe her again and change her to her night wears. Mama baby, pretty baby, pretty baby, pretty baby. So I'm done with baby. I'm outside. The sun is already out. It's hot, so I had to just put umbrella up to provide shade and continue my work. I need to wash all these dishes. You can see how dirty they are. I need to wash them. Both the ones that were eating and because I'm doing general cleaning today. My baby needs me, so I'm here attending to her. Need to play with her. Yeah. Pretty baby, pretty Emanuela, pretty baby, smart girl, smart angel, intelligent baby. Hey. It's okay. So after attending to my baby, I have a customer selling to. So now the customer want to pay with card. So let me go and withdraw the money. I have a small business that I'm running. So this is how my day is going. So the customer want to pay with card. This is my life. Not easy, but I keep going. I'm already tired, so exhausted. So I'm done washing the dishes. Yeah, you can see they are neat. I wash them, they're all dried. I need to arrange them and sweep the compound. This is another hardest part, especially when you are tired. It took me the whole day, but I'm grateful. You know, I had to pack everything into the kitchen and arrange them neatly. So now I'm arranging the glass cups inside the bucket because the carton is was messy, so I have to trash it. Need to arrange them very well and keep them in a safe place in the kitchen. How often do you do general cleaning? Honestly, I do this twice a year. General cleaning. I do it twice a year. Fumigation once a year. Although it depends. This my son will always come around and I'm always very careful because he will end up breaking one thing or the other. He wants to help. So being a mother is not easy. It's not easy. Especially when you have a newborn baby at hand, sometimes the baby needs your attention, you know. You have to even cook for the children, for the older ones. And since I'm managing a small business, sometimes I attend to customer, most especially the ones that my daughter cannot handle, the senior one. But I'm also teaching them how to run the business. Of course, they really used to help me. They have been of help to me, especially the senior daughter. Just few customers are, who personally want to see me or want to buy directly from me. But I'm teaching my daughter on how to close sales even when I'm not around. Customer does not need to see me. before buying. So that is what I'm teaching them. So after arranging everything, I need to sweep. I need to sweep the whole compound because I couldn't sweep in the morning, and of course while washing some dirt were falling off from the things I brought out, cartons and all that. So I'm here sweeping. Do you like sweeping? It took me long time to start bending and sweep because of the surgery I had. There were a time that I even used to have pains, that epidural injection from the spinal cord. So sometimes when I do hard work like that, at the end, I do feel the pain, the epidural injection sensation. But now I'm okay. I hardly feel the pain, so I'm grateful to God for healing. Sometimes, as a mom, when you look around, you have no choice than to be on your feet and do what needs to be done. From nowhere, strength will just come. You are stronger than you think. To every hardworking mother, I see you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and support by sharing. Also, drop your comments from the comment section. See you in the next episode. One love, everyone. One love.